Electric motors have far fewer moving parts and never require oil changes, new spark plugs or fuel filters. Regenerative braking also extends the lifespan of brake pads by using the electric motor to decelerate the vehicle. This typically translates to lower overall maintenance costs and increased savings. These models are standouts for their value. Range, charging speed and available features are given priority over performance in our analysis. 2023 Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive. The Tesla supercharger network makes cross-country travel hassle-free. Tesla charges are very reliable, and with 1,500 locations in all 50 states, finding one is rarely an issue. Plus, the price you see on Tesla's online configurator is the price you pay, before taxes and required fees, of course. While legacy automakers continue to struggle with out-of-control dealer markups, Tesla and other direct-to-consumer EV makers have the upper hand on pricing. 2023 Tesla Model Y Long Range. The Model Y is the larger, more family-oriented version of the Model 3. Last year, the Model Y overtook the 3 as the best-selling EV in America. Although it is the most expensive model on this list, if you can afford it, the ease of public charging, great range, spacious interior and exhilarating performance all make this the sweet spot for many buyers. Plus, there are no dealer markups. But wait, there's more. Both the Model Y and Model 3 are available for delivery soon after placing an order. Tesla wait times are between 1 and 3 months as of late 2022. That's about as good as it gets in today's EV market. Should you ever decide to sell, both of these Teslas have amazing resale value. 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5 sell. The 2023 Ioniq 5, Kia EV6, and Genesis GV60 are the first models powered by Hyundai Motor Group's electric global modular platform. This is next-gen 800-volt architecture at, relatively, affordable prices, and that's awesome. Plus, the Ioniq 5 is spacious, and looks really cool. Sadly, Hyundai has had a very difficult time scaling up production due to supply chain constraints, so expect to either wait for at least 6 months, or battle outrageous dealer markups to get your hands on a rare allocation. 2023 Kia EV6 Wind. Kia's version of the Ioniq 5 looks completely different, with very similar specs. That's because both models share the eGMP platform with great range and even better charging. The 2023 EV6 has slightly more availability than the Ioniq 5 right now. For the 2023 model year, Kia decided to drop the light base model, kicking the entry-level price all the way up to nearly $50,000. As always, I recommend everyone take a test drive before dismissing EVs. They're quiet, efficient and fun. The EV6 would be a great one to take for a spin. 2023 Volkswagen ID.4 Pro. The VW ID.4 is now made in America at Volkswagen's Chattanooga, Tennessee factory. That means it will qualify for the revised EV tax credit, up to $7,500, as long as your VIN confirms that it is an American-made ID.4. I was impressed during my test drive of the ID.4. It rides like a luxury crossover, and has plenty of acceleration when you need it. However, it's definitely the least sporty of this bunch, but it's also the least expensive. Now made in America, there is also a new cheaper option starting at $37,495. However, with public charging infrastructure slow to build out, the expected 208 miles of range is not enough for us to confidently recommend it to anyone but those who expect to stick around urban areas 95% of the time. The ID.4 Pro, on the other hand, is exceptional value with the EV tax credit. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.